Welcome to Speak Khasi. Do you want to speak Khasi language properly, Khasi into English? Well, you've come to the right place. Now let's start by learning simple common sentence. Today we are going to talk about money in Khasi. So the 10 rupees note in Khasi, it is Shi Peo. The 20 rupees note in Khasi, it is R Peo. The 50 rupees note in Khasi, it is San Peo. The 100 rupees note, it is Shi Spa. The 500 note in Khasi, it is San Spa. And the 2000 note in Khasi, it is R Hajar. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share.